Hey, didn't it? Yeah, welcome to my blog. And this is under I just bought it. Well, if I find something and I buy it, most likely I'm going to do a video on it and use it and let you know whether it was worth buying it. So, well, I had to replace the speaker that I ran over, and that was I got that one at Kohl's for like $10. And it's good for about 3 hours. Went to Big Lots the other day, and they got them everywhere from $5 on up to $20. And this is a $20 one, and it's a Sylvania. So Sylvania is a good brand. I don't know how they are as far as speakers are concerned, but you know, Sylvania is for lights, but this one's a water resistant rugged. That's the way I think I need to get it. There was another one like this one, but it didn't look as rugged as this one. But it did say it had a 10-hour playtime. This is the same size, almost the same design, other than it's set up for rugged use. The thing is, it doesn't say how long it'll run. So gonna go ahead and charge it up and run it and see exactly how long it does run. I want something that's gonna last at least 8 hours, because I run it all day long. I shut it down for breaks, and then I shut it down for lunch, and then I start it back up. So it's running all day long, and two of them, one run for about 4 hours and the other one run for 3. So that made it 7. And between breaks and the time that I'm away that I don't use it, I turn it off. So I probably use it a total of 7 hours during the day, continuous. But this was $20, and I'm going to go ahead and we'll get it running, see how it transpires. And if it doesn't work the way I want it to, then I'll go ahead and get another one. I guess we'll see. It just does not say what total run time on it is. So I just kind of took it for granted because it was the same company and same size, same design, and same wattage, that it's probably got the same battery in it. It's bigger, and of course it's bigger than my other speakers, because the other speaker, it had 2, but there were 2 small speakers. One was had a bass underneath it, and then you had your main one. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's got rubber, and that's why it's got rubber protectors around it. It's gonna sit like that, or you can hang it. And I'm probably gonna hang it. It's got your power settings, and then these are your volume control, and then I guess you can actually mute. Looks like a mute or fast forward and review. It's got those legs. Okay, those legs, you got legs right here that'll keep it from rolling. You want to go that cool. Oops. Alright, it even comes with dual, plug it into your, you'll be able to plug it into your earphone jack on your phone, which means it's gotta have an opening. Okay, it looks like you're opening right here. Okay, there you go. Alright, there's your other jack and your USB plug in. That's nice to have if you're not setting it up for Bluetooth. And then it comes with your actual plug-in. And if you've got a adapter plug that you can plug into the wall, because it's going to charge it faster with that, or you can just plug it into your computer. It's probably got the old, yeah, it's got the old style USB. Let's see. Got any power? There's a little bit. It's not fully charged. Alright, so I'll turn on. Let's plug it in. Okay. It's got the old, it's actually got the old plug. So I can probably use I think more and more of the units nowadays are going to have the universal plug. This one here. Okay, good. There we go. Now you see the red light means it's charging. Don't recognize it. Well, it's because it's alright. Close. Whoops. That one went on me. Charging. Sylvania water resistant rugged speaker. Maybe it'll tell me in here how long. Okay. Important. Do not submerge it in water. This unit is not intended to function properly after being underwater. It's just waterproof. If you get splashed on and stuck out in the rain. Speaker can be heavily splashed with water or left in the rain, but do not submerge it in water for approximately the limit for approximately a limited time. Gets wet, it is recommended that you dry the speaker completely before using it again. Please note the speaker is not water resistant when the silicone cover is open. Please make sure the close is secure before using it in a wet environment. That's this thing here. Make sure it's closed. You don't want water in your, because that'll get in through your USB port, and it'll also get in through your earplug jacks. Okay. It might tell me the thing is. Okay. On and off button, you got a pause, play, pause, phone, mic, previous volume, next volume, Bluetooth, your red LED which is charging, your green LED aux, micro USB port and aux port. Includes a speaker, USB micro charging cable, 3.5 millimeter audio cables, which is not one I'm using right now. Let's see. Bluetooth version, supported profile, Bluetooth range, 33 feet. Well, I'll tell you, most of them that say 33 feet, you can get almost 400 feet. especially if it's a direct line of sight. So 33 feet is guaranteed, put it that way. Pairing, unit will automatically go into pairing mode when it is powered on. And then go to your Bluetooth device mode setting menu and look for Sylvania SP2332. After the unit is paired and connected, it will reconnect automatically when the unit is powered on and the device is in range. Note, Bluetooth timeout is 10 minutes. So, let's see. You can press and hold 2 seconds to play the next track, press and hold 2 seconds to play previous track. That's if you're using your plus and minus, the plus and minus buttons. So if you're holding plus, the plus button. If you press and hold the plus button for 2 seconds, it'll play the next track, and then if you do the negative for 2 seconds, it'll play the previous track again. Press either plus or negative. You don't have to hold it to change your volumes. That's what your plus and minus is for. Aux mode, plug it in. LED will only illuminate when the aux mode, so there must be a green light on that. So, see, red light will illuminate charging. When it has completed, the red light will go out. LED status, blue and Bluetooth mode, green, solid, that's aux mode troubleshooting. And let's see, that's about it. Let's see. Okay, it goes into another language. That's about it. I don't see anything. I don't see anything that tells me how long it will run. Give you a warning. Let's see. In terms of warranty, you got 90 days on parts and labor. Huh, cool. Sylvania is usually a pretty good product. So, okay. So there's your registration. Product registration. I'm not even worried about it. Okay. I can do a quick. We can do a quick. It's on. Guess I unplugged that. Okay. So we got the blue light going here. It means it is looking. It's got a 10-minute search. Alright, let's see. See if I go Bluetooth. See if it's connections. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Let's go Bluetooth on. And let's see, mini. Q360, there it is. It's already showing up. Sylvania. Okay. Your phone Galaxy is currently visible to a nearby device. So what you're going to do is click on it, and it's going to pair. Okay. Ooh. Why couldn't it connect? I don't know why. Okay. Let's say high volume's okay. Okay, and that's always going to pop up. So, see. Yep. It went into my devices. So, real quick, just see what the new 9, or I shouldn't say under 9. It's actually under Jesus. I'm not lost again. Under, oh, wow. I just lost it. Under,
Done messed up, Mother.
what the heck? Okay. Retake. Under the Sprint, you have TIDAL, which is their personal music system. So without having to worry about ads or anything. So let's see what it sounds like. Now this will be just the way it's set, not increasing the volume at all. So let's see what happens.
It's got me under pressure. It's got me under pressure. It's got me under pressure. It's got me under pressure.
Wow, that's pretty loud. Put it from the other side of the room. That's not even as loud as it'll go. Wow. That's loud, huh? Now if it lasts me at least 8 hours, I'll definitely be happy. Wow. Okay. I'm impressed. And that's just volume control on the phone. That's not the volume control on this. So there we go. Sweet. Unfortunately, there's no way to there's no equalizer on here, so you really can't change any volume at all. But all right, there we go. For $20, I don't think I'm gonna be complaining much as far as not being able to hear the music. And we'll let you know down the road. The other one lasted me a year, and until I ran it over. But again, it only lasted. It only lasted a year after I ran it over. So, okay, punch that button and then the Bluetooth will go out. I can plug it in, and there we go. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next. I just bought it.